Welcome to our kitchen cleaning journey. Keeping your kitchen spotless can be a daily struggle. From mysterious spills to hidden messes, we all face challenges in maintaining a tidy culinary space. In this video, we'll unveil the ultimate kitchen cleaning hacks to transform your cooking haven. Say goodbye to the chaos as we share practical tips and tricks to conquer the common hurdles standing between you and a sparkling kitchen. Discover the magic of a few minutes a day with our quick and effective daily cleaning routine. In this segment, we unveil a simple yet powerful regimen to maintain a pristine kitchen effortlessly. Emphasizing the transformative impact of consistent small tasks, we guide you through quick actions that collectively contribute to an overall cleaner space. Watch as these time-efficient habits become the secret to an ever-ready, sparkling kitchen, day in and day out. Prepare to elevate your kitchen's shine with our segment on secret weapons for sparkling surfaces. Uncover the cleaning arsenal that turns dull surfaces into glistening showcases. We introduce special agents and tools tailored for different materials, from stainless steel to granite. Discover expert tips and techniques that promise to bring out the best in each surface, leaving your kitchen looking not just clean but radiantly polished. Say hello to a new level of brilliance in your culinary haven. Dive into the battle against grease and grime with our Kitchen Appliance Edition. We target the heart of mess, stoves, ovens, and microwaves, unveiling hacks to obliterate stubborn grease and grime. Watch as we share expert techniques, ensuring your kitchen appliances not only function at their best, but also gleam with cleanliness. Say goodbye to residue and hello to appliances that sparkle like new in no time. Embark on a journey to a clutter-free kitchen with our Organizing Tips segment. We delve into smart storage solutions and organization hacks designed to minimize chaos. Explore the art of decluttering as we emphasize how an organized space paves the way for easier cleaning. Witness the transformative power of orderliness, turning your kitchen into a harmonious haven where every item has its place, making cleaning a breeze. Say hello to a clutter-free, serene culinary environment. Unveil the unseen challenges with our segment on the hidden culprits, cleaning neglected areas. We expose commonly overlooked spaces in the kitchen, like those lurking behind appliances. Armed with hacks specifically crafted for these hidden zones, we guide you through transforming neglected spaces into shining examples of cleanliness. Don't let the unseen stand in the way of a truly spotless kitchen. Discover the secrets to conquering every nook and cranny for a comprehensive and satisfying clean. Embrace a cleaner, greener kitchen with our eco-friendly cleaning solutions segment. Step into a world of environmentally conscious alternatives as we introduce sustainable cleaning options. Dive into DIY recipes for natural cleaning solutions, minimizing your ecological footprint while maintaining a spotless kitchen. Join us in the movement toward a healthier home and planet, where every clean surface is a testament to the power of eco-friendly choices. Uncover the secrets to a sparkling kitchen with a conscience. Calling all busy individuals, join us for time-saving hacks tailored just for you. Navigate the demands of a hectic schedule with ingenious cleaning shortcuts that ensure a consistently clean kitchen. We share practical strategies to streamline your cleaning routine without sacrificing efficiency. Witness the transformation as we unveil tips designed to integrate seamlessly into your busy lifestyle, leaving you with a spotless kitchen that reflects your commitment to cleanliness amidst a bustling agenda. Your clean haven awaits. As we wrap up our journey through the secrets of a pristine kitchen, remember, a clean haven is within your grasp. Subscribe to Peak Decor Home for more transformative tips. Embrace the magic of a spotless kitchen, effortlessly achieved with our hacks. Hit the like button if you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Thank you for joining us on this sparkling adventure. Until next time, happy cleaning.